Hello and welcome. You are invited to embark on a journey of gratitude. Practicing daily gratitude cultivates happiness and appreciation for all that you have. When we find gratefulness in the things that are in our lives, more things to be grateful for will appear. Each day is a gift filled with opportunities to discover joy and appreciation. So let's take a moment together to reflect on the blessings in our lives, embracing the happiness of all that gratitude brings. This is a simple yet profound practice. Embarking on this shifting of your focus daily will cultivate a heart full of appreciation. All you need is a quiet space, an open mind, and a few moments of your time. So, let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and exhale out, allowing all tension to leave your body on every exhale. Bringing your awareness to this moment. Breathing in deeply and fully, and exhaling completely, letting go. Allow your body to rest comfortably on the surface in which you're sitting or laying, and be aware of your body now. Giving gratitude to all the parts of your body that have helped you, sustained you, carried you, healed you, supported you. From your feet, allowing you to walk, your legs that carry you and hold you up, your midsection that allows food and nutrients to be transformed in your body, all the way up to your chest, your heart, feeling grateful for all of your organs and them working properly. Bringing attention to your arms, being grateful to be able to move your hands and arms in the ways that you do. Our shoulders, letting go of anything we're holding on to. Our neck, supporting us, allowing us to breathe easily and effortlessly. And all the way up to our head, our mind, our senses, our vision, our smell, our taste, our hearing. Just allowing complete gratitude for this physical body now. You may want to give yourself a little hug or just say thank you. I want you to think of something today or maybe even this year that brought you joy. It could be something very small that somebody had said to you. It could be something in nature that you've seen or experienced. Maybe it was an accomplishment, a life change, or something that you've been striving for that maybe you haven't even reached yet, but the fact that you're striving for it is something to be grateful for. So think about this for a moment now and find a blessing in something that brought you joy. hold this moment in your mind and allow yourself to feel warmth from this experience. Allowing this gratitude to grow as we acknowledge even the smallest blessings. Take time to reflect deeply. Picture that moment of joy filling up your heart like a golden light. And with every breath, feel the light expanding, radiating warmth and peace throughout your entire being. And now we can go a step further. Expand your gratitude to encompass many aspects of your lives. Imagine someone who has supported you, no matter how big or small their gesture, or if you even continue to speak with them. Visualize their face, hear their voice, and feel the impact that they've had on you. Take a moment to silently thank them, sending them thoughts of love and appreciation now. Now, let's expand even greater. Shift your focus to the natural world. The ground beneath you, the air filling your lungs, the sun warming your skin, and the beautiful nature sounds that encompass daily lives. Visualize the interconnectedness of all living things. Express your gratitude to nature for sustaining you, the earth for supporting you, the heavens for shining its light and loving you. Imagine the trees, rivers, stars. See nature actually responding to your gratitude, creating a beautiful circle of harmony and peace around you. Finally, we're going to turn our gratitude inward, acknowledging your own strengths, resilience, and the effort you've put into growing and becoming who you are today. Even you at this moment now, taking time to do this daily practice. Visualize your inner self as a vibrant, radiant light. Thank yourself for showing up, for learning, for thriving despite life's challenges, and most of all, for continuing on your journey. Take a nice, deep breath in and out. Every inhale bringing in fresh energy, every exhale releasing all that no longer serves you. Feel gratitude for the rhythm of your breath, as this is a constant reminder for the gift of you. Now I want you to see yourself standing on top of a beautiful mountaintop. The world stretch out before you, and take a nice big stretch in your mind's eye or in real life. I want you to see everything before you. A beautiful picture of amazing people, places, moments, all of gratitude appearing all around you. Each memory glows like a bright star, creating a constellation of blessings that lights up your life. Allowing this to remind you of the abundance all around you. You are surrounded by love, support, countless blessings. Whisper a silent thank you to the universe and this tapestry of joy. As we affirm together, I am grateful for the infinite blessings in my life. I embrace the joy and peace that gratitude brings. My heart overflows with appreciation. As you repeat those words, let their truth sink in. Write it on a piece of paper, keep it with you, repeat it every morning and every night as you feel your heart open wider with each repetition. Gratitude is the bridge that connects us to happiness. Each day, make a goal to find 3 things you're grateful for. Make them different every day, and over time, you'll create a beautiful collection of moments that bring joy and perspective. Gratitude grows even more when shared, so consider starting a gratitude circle with friends or loved ones. Taking turns expressing one thing you are grateful for. As you witness others' gratitudes, this only deepens your own appreciation. As you can also integrate gratitude into your daily routine, before meals, when you wake in the morning, before you go down to rest, or any time you're embarking on a new segment in your life. Getting in your car, I'm grateful that I have a car and I can drive where I need to go. Seeing a friend, I'm grateful to see this friend and that this person is in my life. As you continue this process, you will find that gratitude is your normal state of vibration. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for joining me in this practice of gratitude. Remember, happiness grows when we nurture it with appreciation. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day. Be well, stay grateful, and enjoy what's coming next.